These are both water brushes. They both hold water in the handle. One is the Zig Detail water brush and the other is the Ranger Broad water brush. Now, using a detailed water brush is a great way to color in an image and get some really fine detail. Because the brush is a little bit smaller than the broad one, it doesn't hold nearly as much ink, so it doesn't cover as much surface. You have a little bit more control when you're working in small areas. The broad water brush is about 1/2 inch wide, and it's a great one to use for backgrounds if you're wanting to cover a large area in a short amount of time. It takes a lot less time to use the broad brush and cover a background than it does for the detail brush. The detail brush, you would have to dip into your ink many times, whereas the broad brush, you can pretty much just do it once and cover a decent area. You can also use the broad brush to dip the corner of your brush into ink and get more of an ombre effect. And once again, you can cover a larger area with that. I really like both of these brushes, but they definitely have different uses to them. And there's different times when I'll use each one, depending on whether I'm doing a background or doing a detailed image. Because they have water in the handle, both of them, you just squeeze a little bit onto some paper towel and wipe it off to clean. They're both great brushes to choose.